everyone, welcome back at day 2 to the 28 knitting challenge for beginners. I'm Marianna and today we're diving into something that seems a little unexpected for knitters, color theory. Now you might be wondering, why do I need to know about color theory to knit? Well, understanding how colors work together can completely transform your project. Wherever you're choosing yarns for a sweater, a scarf, or even a simple dishcloth, knowing a bit about color can help you create pieces that feel harmonious, balanced, and uniquely you. Let's get started. In this video, I will walk you through the basics of color theory, including the color wheel and its role in knitting, how to choose color combinations that pop, the difference between warm and cool tones, and some quick tips for picking the perfect yarns for your project. By the end, you will feel confident pairing colors like a pro. Now let's start with the color wheel. It's your best friend when it comes to understanding how color interacts. The wheel is divided into primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. These are the building blocks of all other colors. Now let's put in secondary colors, which are green here, orange, and purple. Those are created by mixing primary colors together. Blue and red gives purple, red and yellow gives orange, yellow and blue gives us green. Then the tertiary colors, the blends between primary and secondary colors. This can be a little bit tricky now. Let's see. Yes, we have it. The 6 colors are like red, orangish, or like the blue-green here. Those are the mix together between primary colors and secondary colors. Now, the magic happens when we look at color relationships. Complementary colors are the opposite to each other in the color wheel, like red and green or blue and orange. Pairing them creates high contrast and vibrant combinations, which are great for both stripes or accents. Analogous colors that are next to each other on the wheel, like yellow, orange, and red. They create an harmonious and calming effect, perfect for shawls or cozy blankets maybe. Then we have the triadic colors. Those are evenly spaced around the wheel, like red, blue, and yellow. Triadic schemes feel balanced but playful, and they are great for multicolored projects. Orange, purple, and green, for example. Here is an example of analogous colors versus a triadic colors, even if I pick just 2. As you can see, your color choices can completely change the mood of a project. Now let's talk about warm and cool tones. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow evoke feelings of coziness, energy. They're great for projects you want to feel inviting and vibrant. Cool color like blue, green, and purple are calming, soothing, and they work wonderfully for relax or pieces like understated pieces. One tip: If you're ever unsure about pairing warm and cool tones, try using a neutral color, like gray, white, cream, or black, to bridge the gap. Naturals can anchor your palette and make everything feel cohesive. Choosing the right yarn doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind. Start with one color you love. Build your palette around that. Test your colors together. Lay your yarns side by side to see how they interact. 3. Think about the project purpose. For example, a baby blanket may feel sweeter with pastels, while a winter scarf could be rich, bold. And don't forget about contrast. Pairing a dark color with a lighter one makes your pattern stand out, especially in textures or color work knitting. And that's it for day 2. Understanding color theory is such a valuable skill for knitters, and the more you practice, the more fun you will have creating your beautiful, intentional projects. Tomorrow we will finally start with our needles and yarn. And if you're excited to keep going, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss day 3. And don't forget to share your favorite color combination in the comments. I'd love to hear what inspired you. Happy knitting, everyone!